And something else you might be interested in for Mother's Day, which Stevie's going to do, is this. This is a cordless trimmer to trim your bush. Absolutely perfect for topiary, absolutely perfect for edges of gardens, and it's lightweight as well. It has a battery that goes on there, which is not on there at the moment because it's not on there, but it has a battery that goes on there, and then it can trim the edges very nicely. Steve's got that. I'm going to sneeze. I'm all right now. I'm all right now.